Welcome to our channel. If you need to download your Expedia itinerary for travel planning or record keeping, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Go to Expedia.com and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Click on My Trips in the top navigation menu to view all your upcoming and past bookings. Step 3. Find the trip for which you need the itinerary and click on it to open the complete trip details page. Step 4. Look for the Print Itinerary or Download Itinerary button, usually located near the top of the trip details page. Step 5. Click the button to generate a PDF version of your complete itinerary, including flights, hotels, and car rentals. Step 6. The itinerary will open in a new window. Click Save as PDF or use your browser's print function and select Save as PDF as the destination. Step 7. Choose a location on your computer to save the file and give it a descriptive name for easy organization. Step 8. Alternatively, check your email for the Expedia confirmation email, which also contains your complete itinerary and can be saved or printed. Step 9. For mobile access, download the Expedia app and access your trips offline by syncing your itineraries to your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.